On this 9/11, like every 9/11, I'm thinking about my friend Davis, who I grew up with in Delaware. On this day 20 years ago, he and his family had just passed the first year without their youngest of three sons, Teddy, who died in a boating accident at age 15. And his eldest son, Davis Jr., was just 6 days into the new job on the 104th floor of the South Tower at the World Trade Center. Davis went straight to ground zero to search for his son. And he searched deep into the last inning of hope, as he put it. A few days later, I spoke with Davis and talked to his fathers who know. I was on my way to speak to the students at the University of Delaware about what to make of the new world we were in. He told me to tell people, quote, "Don't be afraid." He said, "Tell them, don't be afraid." The absolute courage it took after two unimaginable losses is extraordinary. Yet the most ordinary of American things, to know life can be unfair and uncertain, a cruel twist of accident or deliberate act of evil. But even in darkness, to still be the light.